I'm Srikar. Today, let's discuss about different types of drones. In aviation, drones refers to a flying object without a pilot or an unpiloted aircraft. They are also called as unmanned aerial vehicles or a UAV. One of the most common definition of a drone is it is an unmanned aircraft or a ship that can navigate autonomously without any human intervention and beyond his line of sight. The key feature of a drone is it can be controlled autonomously and it can be controlled remotely. So this enables us to go to places where it's very tough for a human species to reach. So drones is one of the most advanced technologies and it is also a great milestone in aeronautics. Due to its remote controlling feature and its mobility, it has led us to explore places that are very tough to reach for a human. It has opened many possibilities in photographic industry and film industry. Once when there were no drones, it was very tough for a person to shoot an aerial shot. We would need a helicopter and a cameraman in it. With the evolution of drones, we can easily take an aerial shot. Apart from film and photography, it has its wide uses in military also. We can use it to drop bombs, increase safety and surveillance. We can also use drones in construction industry like taking a 3D map of the construction site and also monitoring the terrain. Agriculture also has a significant use of drones. We can use it to spray fertilizers in the farm. We have tons of applications of drones in our daily life and many more are yet to come. But can a single type of drone solve all these applications? Definitely not. We need many types of drones which can suit for these applications. So we can classify drones based on their usage, like a UAV for agriculture, a UAV for military. But the best way to classify a drone is based on the platform which they use. So depending upon the platform which they use, we can classify drones into 4 types. One is multi-rotor drone, 2 is a fixed wing drone, the next one is single rotor drone, and the third is fixed wing VTOL drone. Multi-rotor drones are the most popular drones found in the market. They are used by professionals and hobbyists. The common application of a multi-rotor drone is photography, surveillance and security. One of the biggest advantage of this type of drone is their maneuverability when compared to a fixed wing drone. This enables them to fly in areas where other drones cannot. They can hover in one position and can stay still. They don't need a platform to take off and land because of their VTOL capability, which is vertical takeoff and landing. They come in different forms in market, which is a tricopter, quadcopter, octocopter and a hexacopter. The disadvantage of a multi-rotor drone is they can't move fast. Their speed is one of the constraints, so they cannot be used for pipeline checking or 3D mapping for a long distance. Fixed wing drones are very familiar to everyone because they look alike to a conventional aircraft, and they also work similar to a conventional aircraft by using wind to fly. They cannot stand still in one position without moving by fighting against gravity, so they are less maneuverable. As it works like a conventional aircraft, it needs a runway to take off and landing. The advantage of a fixed wing drone is its increased range by traveling to larger distance. It has a greater stability and can withstand side winds. Disadvantages of this drone: it needs a specialized takeoff and landing area. It also needs expertise to fly and also it's very expensive. The use case of a fixed wing drone is in aerial mapping, pipeline and power line inspections, and also it's used in military to drop bombs and as a killer UAV. Single rotor drones are similar to an actual helicopter with respect to their design and structure. They are more effective when compared to multi-rotor drones. Multi-rotor drones will be having many routers based on their use case, but a single rotor drone will be having a single big rotor and a small tail rotor which allows it for heading. The general rule of aerodynamics says lower is the count of rotors, the more effective it is and the less will be the spin. This is the reason why octocopters are less efficient than quadcopters. The disadvantage of a single rotor drone is its big blades, which can cause injuries. When it comes to difficulty of flying, it somewhere lies between the multi-rotor drone and the fixed-wing drone. The use case of a single-rotor drone is in aerial LiDAR laser scanning. A fixed-wing hybrid VTOL drone is a combination of rotatory wing and a fixed wing, where it uses rotatory wing to take off up and down, which eliminates the need of a specialized landing area. It also increases its speed and endurance due to its fixed wing. Many of such type of drones are under development, in which one is a normal fixed wing drone which have a vertical motors to fly up and down. The next thing is tail sitters, which look similar to an aircraft which rest on their tail, pointing straight up. So when they're ready to take off, they use their tilt motors to take off vertically upwards and then turn horizontal for forward flight. Advantages are it's easy and safe to operate, and its ability to adapt to moving environment, and it also gives us a better payload protection. The main use case of a fixed wing hybrid VTOL drone is for delivery purposes. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe.